Hi, we're Marissa and Nick. Back in 2014, we started traveling part-time together and haven't looked back. When we're not filming music videos or documenting wedding days, you can find us on adventures across the globe.
Woo! Did you get an attack?
I don't know. Exploring new places, attending all of the music festivals, and documenting love stories around the world is what we do. Why keep that a secret? Welcome to I Just Want to Travel. Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. I'm out of breath because we just walked from where we parked over to where we're having dinner. We're all dressed up fancy. Can you see it?
Wearing a suit.
Because we are going to dinner at a place called Mast here in Boston, and then we're gonna go see A Day to Remember at the Orpheum?
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 I think it's like Orpheum.
Theater.
Sounds like a superhero.
And it's a what do you call it? An acoustic set. So
yeah.
I remember they said to dress fancy, so
yep.
we did. We're on a date night. Dinner was really good. Authentic Italian cuisine. We were waiting for our check, but it wasn't coming. In Italy, you have to ask for it, so we ended up asking for it, and it came. We're heading over to that theater now to see A Day to Remember.
So I guess it's better this way. Looking back, was it all just a mistake? Thought I could live in the arms of another, but I guess I wasn't enough for her.
Y'all ready to help us with these songs or what? Cigar flowers on the mind, big thoughts of space and time. Freeing everyone like that will fuck you right 1,000 times. Reminded when I was young, Phoenix and citizens on tip-top dogs. Since it's about to take it off. For a circle pit here, but I don't think that's going to work out. It's the city of Ocala. Fuck yeah! Remember way back when I said this life was a dream. Well, it still is. I never wanted
swear to God. All right. So,
Are you gonna break some shit?
no. You sounded so happy.
It did. I'm playing it. Just
I love that.
Hey, I can't wait to break some stuff for you fine people tonight.
We break our own things. Don't break anything in the building. Make sure you get that on the camera. Get that on the camera.
We don't have the insurance policy for that.
You don't want to do that.
Yeah, you guys.
Don't do it. They just let us into these nice places. You know how it goes. We swear we're gonna act right, right?
Took us 20 years to get here.
Only took 20 years, that's right. All right. This next song is a cover of our original song. It's called The Downfall of Us All.
It's not easy living for yourself till you toe the line. Never thought I'd be in this far. Stop somebody now, shades off for anyone. Try not to miss me when I'm gone. I sold my soul to the open road. You brought me to the sense, but believe me, I can never stop. My life's turned upside down. Maybe I passed the train, tried to leave it, and I'm coming back. You're right, and I was wrong. That won't be the downfall of us all.
It seems like an appropriate time to say we're a data member from Central Florida. How you guys doing today? You know, we didn't really know what to expect when we came on this tour. You know, it was new for us. I'm sure it's new for you, but I gotta tell you, you guys are making us feel right at fucking home here, for real.
Can't stop me now. I'll be there just to watch you fall. So don't force me. So late, they won't even miss you at all. No day, I'll always be gone. You got to like a puppet in the palm of my hand. So don't you let me down. There I go again. Late so damn hard to come back from the messenger. I know I'm so deep down, you can't stop it. I'll be there just to watch you fall. So don't force me. You're out so late, they won't even miss you at all. No way, I'll always be gone. Don't you let me down, no way, they won't even miss you at all. No way, I'll always be gone.
ask for more songs, Boston gets more songs.